ghostly creatures in the sky. It's like watching the clouds. You may see things in the clouds which are not real, but they're coincidence. This one, for example, shows the face of a bat, as if coronavirus bat. This is a nebula in the southern hemisphere. Strange. Another angle of that same nebula. Maybe also a monkey's face. You see two eyes. Oh, this one, as if trying to escape. Something is trying to escape, and it be pushed back. This is a pig's head. They call it prawns or seagull's head, but this is like a pig head, and the mouth you see zigzagging. This is a Godzilla's face, full of bright lights. This is a rat face nebula. I would call it this name. That's an interesting name anyway. This one is a lamb's face. You see that the lamb is the star eye. You see the eye of it there. The face of it is the red part near the top part. You can see it. It has a tiny mouth with little bit nostrils. This one looks mysterious, like a skull with two eyes looking. This one is praying, two angels praying. Again, two angels praying. And you see tranquility here. Peace. That's what you see.